Hey, it's Dr. Scott Watson with a real brief video on clef change in Dorico. Honestly, with clef change, it couldn't be simpler. There's a tool for it. So you just choose the tool, choose the clef that you'd like to change, and then you point to where you'd like the clef change to go. And if you wanted to, for instance, now that the clef change has happened, maybe we want to take all of this stuff down an octave, you can use the shortcut Option Command down arrow, right? And put it in the octave that's appropriate. Let's do another one just for fun. I'll go back to where I was in treble clef. And let's choose one of the C clefs, alto clef. Let's say starting here, want to change to alto clef, right? And it puts the clef change in even mid measure. So clef change with Dorico is quite simple. Have fun using it. Good luck continuing learning with Dorico.